Hi guys, what we're looking at here is a 3D puzzle, 3D keychain puzzle by gzumwalt. I've been following his channel for quite a while. He does lovely 3D prints and he's done a couple of simple ones that I thought I might have a go at. Well, 3 simple ones. This one is a dog keychain or puzzle. It's also got a giraffe and an elephant. Well, I've just printed this one off. I need to tidy it up a bit, file it down where the edges have spread a little bit, and then we'll see if we can assemble it. There's the finished article, assembled. I'm not going to show you how to assemble it. There'll be a link in the video description to gzumwalt's videos, so you can go and have a look at his videos so he gets credit for the work. What I'm going to do now, he uses a little chain to go through there to hang it on your key ring or whatever. I just happen to have been doing a video using this, which is a keychain. It had a fluffy ball on the end, which I've used for the dead cat on this camera. But if I pull that apart, it'll probably come apart quite easily. Yeah, they're never very strong. We don't need that bit though. Then I should be able to put that through there and through there. And we have a really awful, because these always are rubbish, cheap keychain loop. Doesn't look as neat as his, but it does mean that I can hang it. So yeah, that's the little dog puzzle from gzumwalt. I'm not going to show you how to do it, but I will show you it coming apart. So I suppose if you run that backwards, you'd work it out. Job done.
Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.